Unraveling the mystery. The phrase, be in a brown study. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a particularly intriguing phrase, be in a brown study. This expression might sound a bit odd at first, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it in your conversations. So, let's get started on this linguistic adventure. The phrase, be in a brown study, is an idiomatic expression that dates back several centuries. It's not as commonly used in modern English, but it's a fascinating example of how language evolves while some phrases maintain their charm and continue to be used in literature and certain contexts. To be in a brown study means to be deeply absorbed in thought, often to the point of being oblivious to one's surroundings. It typically refers to a state of melancholic contemplation or preoccupation. The word brown, in this context, doesn't refer to the color as we use it today but is thought to relate to a mood of deep introspection or gloom. The origins of be in a brown study are somewhat murky, but it's believed to have been widely used in the 16th and 17th centuries. The term, study, here signifies a state of deep thought or contemplation, which aligns with the phrase's overall meaning. Over time, brown was associated with darkness or gloominess, which adds to the mood of deep, sometimes troubled, thought conveyed by the expression. Understanding the historical context and evolution of this phrase can enrich your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in literature or want to add a touch of sophistication to your language. It's a great example of an idiomatic expression that paints a vivid picture of a mental state, using color to convey emotion. Using be in a brown study in modern conversation or writing can add depth and a touch of historical flair. It's perfect for creative writing or when describing someone's introspective mood in a more literary or formal context. For example, he was in a brown study, completely lost in his thoughts about the future. After receiving the news, she sat by the window in a brown study, barely noticing the world passing by. When you use this phrase, it's important to ensure that the context supports a more formal or literary tone, as it might sound out of place in casual conversation. And there you have it. The phrase, be in a brown study, is a beautiful relic of the English language, offering a window into the past and enriching our expressions of contemplation and introspection. We hope this video has illuminated this intriguing phrase for you and perhaps even inspired you to incorporate it into your own linguistic repertoire. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of English language curiosities. Until next time, keep learning and keep curious.